How to add Dropbox files to Airtable automatically. So assume that you have uploaded a file into the Dropbox and now you want that the link of that file should be added into the Airtable as well, so that you can keep a track record of all your Dropbox file into the Airtable as well. Now to do that, you have two choices. Either you can manually copy the link of that file and then paste the link into the Airtable, or you can create an automation in Dropbox and Airtable in such a way that whenever any new file is uploaded into the Dropbox, the link of that file will be added automatically into the Airtable. So if you also want to set this automation for yourself, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. So this is my Dropbox account and this is my Airtable account, and I want if any file is uploaded here, the link of those files should be added here also. And to do that, I'll have to integrate Dropbox and Airtable, and I'm going to do that with Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to sign up for free. I'm already an existing user, so that is why I have clicked on sign in, and then I have clicked on this Pabbly Connect access now among all the application. Okay, and let me tell you, in the free account you will also get free task every month in your account in order to test such kind of amazing automation. Okay, now after reaching here, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm providing the name something like when file uploaded in Dropbox, add the same file to Airtable. Okay, after providing the name, click on create, and then you will find two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, automatically do this. Understand with an example also, whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any new file is uploaded into the Dropbox application, that automatically add that file link into the Airtable application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. In this case, we are building an automation in Dropbox and Airtable applications, so that is why I have selected Dropbox and Airtable in this trigger and action. Okay, now I am going to connect this Dropbox with the Pabbly Connect, so that whenever any new file is uploaded, okay, you can even read the instructions, triggers when a new file is added to a specific folder. Okay, so whenever any new file is uploaded into the Dropbox, that file details should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, click on connect, click on add new connection, click on connect with Dropbox, and simply provide the access of your Dropbox account. Well, I am already logged in into my Dropbox account into a different tab, so it has not asked me for the access. The authorization has been successful immediately. Okay, now it is asking for the folder path. Okay, so you will have to read the instructions. While checking a file in a folder named sample folder, the folder path will be /sample folder. Okay, so in my case, I have the folder name as this all blog files, okay, submitted via freelancer. Okay, so I want that if any freelancer or if any of my team member is uploading the blog files of freelancers, the file link should be collected into this Airtable. So as per the instruction, I am going to copy the name of this particular folder. Basically, I am copying the path of this particular folder, and let me paste the same. Okay, and further read the instructions for the in subfolder, the sample folder, and the new folder. Okay, so the folder path will be look like this. Okay, so if you have a subfolder, if you are uploading the file into the subfolder, in that case you will have to provide the path in this particular format. Okay, so basically the main folder name will appear and then the subfolder name will appear. Okay, currently in my case I am directly uploading the files into the main folder only, so that is why I have specified the name of the folder, basically the path of the folder in this way. Okay, now I'll have to click on this button, but before that I am going to upload a new file in front of you directly from my computer, specifically into this folder, and you will see how the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so I have have a blog file link on my desktop. Okay, so let me first upload that file. All right, I'm going to open it, and once the uploading will finish here, you will see how the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. All right, the uploading is finished. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, clicking on this button, save and send test request, and you will see how the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. All right, here you can see the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. Here we have the shareable link of that file. Okay, you can even open that file into a new tab. Okay, because the visibility of this file is actually public. Okay, so you can actually open it. Now we also have the URL, we have the visibility, and we also have the path, basically the folder name, and we even have the name of that file. Okay, so I think I have all the important details. So the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and Dropbox is working absolutely fine. Okay, now moving further, I'm going to send this file link into the Airtable. For that, you'll have to firstly search for the Airtable, then in the action event you will have to search for the create record, and just like we have connected this Dropbox with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to now connect to this Airtable with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you will have to read the instructions. Okay, directly click on this hyperlink, and then I am going to follow these instructions one by one. It is asking to click on a create new token button, add name, click on add a scope. Okay, so this is my Airtable developer section. This is the button create new token. All right, let me minimize it so that you can see the data very clearly. As per the instruction, you'll have to provide a name. Okay, random name. Let's say I will provide the name as Dropbox connection. Okay, you can provide any random name. Now I will be adding the scope. Now what scopes I should actually select? Or it is already mentioned, it has already mentioned data recorded read, data recorded write, data record comments, read data. Okay, data record comments write. Okay, scheme basis read, scheme basis write. Okay, and then webhook manage. All right, coming back, and I'm going to select these scopes one by one. Okay, data recorded read. Here we have write, here we have the again write. All right, so I will be selecting all the important scopes as per the instructions. And yes, I have selected all the important scopes which was mentioned into my help text. Okay, now it is asking to select the last click on add a base and choose all workspaces option. All right, so I'll come back, click on add base, and we have all current and future bases in current and future workspaces. Okay, I'm going to select the same thing. Okay, that is all workspaces. Let me search for the same, whether it is the same thing or not. Alright, so I'm going to select the same, and then I will be clicking on this create token button, and this is how you will see I will receive a token which I will be pasting here, clicking on save, and this is how Airtable will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Alright, and here you can see it is connected, and firstly it is asking for the base ID. So whatever the bases are available inside my Airtable account have started visible here. Okay, so I am going to select which particular base. Alright, I have the base name as daily files images to upload. Okay, so let me search for the same daily files and images to upload. Okay, and as soon as I will select the base ID, this table ID will selected automatically because I just have a single table only here, that is table 1. Okay, now it is asking for the file name and the file link. Well, these are actually the same column which I have created inside my Airtable account. Okay, since I have selected this specific base ID, so that is why it is showing the column of the base ID of this only. Okay, now I will be adding the data here, and don't worry, I don't need to manually copy the data and paste it here. I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, as you know, I have already received the data into my previous step, and I'm going to map the exact data, the very same data, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down, and this is the shareable link I have added, asking for the file name as well. Okay, so where is the column of file name? All right, so here we have the file name as the blog on digital marketing.pdf. Okay, so I have provided both the data. Okay, and now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details details we have mapped here from the above data, this data will be changed automatically. It will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so assume that I have created this automation successfully. Now what will happen? Someone from your team is going to upload a new file here. Okay, so Pabbly Connect will firstly capture that data from the Dropbox, and that new file will replace these existing values because I have mapped this data. Okay, so this is the significance of mapping, and mapping really plays a major role inside this automation. Okay, so clicking on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for that data to be added here, and here you can see the data has been added already and automatically. Well, there were blank records created, so that is why it has skipped this value. So how about I firstly delete this existing, that blank record. All right, here you can see I have this file name and I have this file link. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to upload the file here, the details of that file, basically the file name and the file link, will be organized automatically, and sometimes the data will not be added in real time. Why? Because the trigger here we have is the polling based, which will capture the data in every 10 minutes. Okay, so it might take at least 10 minutes in adding that file into the Airtable. So don't worry about that, you just have to wait for it patiently, at least for 10 minutes. Okay, so in this way you can entirely automate this process by simply creating this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. And once this automation is ready, simply close Pabbly Connect, sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into the description box. Simply click on that link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then the very same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.